Hello and welcome to this tutorial. We will be learning about graphical user interface and text commands. So what's the difference between a graphical user interface, normally known as a GUI or GUI, which I find funny saying GUI, but GUI seems appropriate. Graphical user interface is generally simplified manner in which you can be able to access files and folders in your computers, be it a MacBook or a Windows machine. The way you click, double click, delete, rename, and all that type of commands, it's being run on the background, but they've put a simplified manner in which you can handle all those commands. Text commands, on the other end, are commands we type in directly to a command line interface, like a terminal in MacBook and a command prompt in Windows. So I'm going to do this practically so that you're able to understand the difference between the two. So this is the the graphical user interface, how we see the folders, the folder structure. Even when we right click, all these are actions being done on the background. If we click on get info, that's an action that is being done on the background, but in the front face, that's the graphical user interface. You're able to see all this information. To understand a terminal, I'm going to raise the terminal from here. So I just right click there on the folder, open in terminal. I'm going to bring that terminal. So basically the terminal is one item. So let me maximize that. The terminal is what the MacBook allows us to type in text commands. In this case, I want to type in one command that shows where we are. So that is print working directory, that's pwd. See, it shows us where we are. So if we go back to our graphical user interface, this is our graphical user interface. It will show us, if we click on images, it shows us we are in documents, X University, Git and GitHub, then images, which is the same of users, ghost, documents, X University, Git and GitHub, then images. It's the same folder structure, but this is where we run the text commands directly, and this is where the graphical user interface is. So generally it's what you see while you are using your machine, be it a MacBook or a Windows machine. This is the graphical user interface, and this, or the command prompt, is where we type in the text commands. So that's it. See you in the next video.